Hi everyone, today is International Day of Yoga, 21st June. On this day, I am going to talk about yoga. Many people don't know what is yoga or from where it has come. It is a Sanskrit word which means union, that is, of the mind, spirit, and body. The word yoga comes from the Sanskrit word yug, which means to intricate. Yoga was founded by the sages and the rishis or the spiritual leaders. It was handed down from the sages or the rishis to their shishya or students in the hope that it would help in the upliftment of mankind. Now I am going to give a brief history of yoga. The first stage of yoga is called the Vedic or the pre-classical yoga. It was first mentioned in the Rig Veda around 5000 years ago. Then comes Patanjali or the classical Yoga Sutras. It is the first book of yoga from 2nd century AD. Then comes Hatha or the post-classical yoga. In this, mind and body were used as means to attain enlightenment. Then comes the present or the modern period yoga. It started in the late 1800s and the early 1900s. Yoga masters travel across the whole globe. Yoga is a way of life. Yoga is a useful technique for making life meaningful, useful, and moral. Practicing yoga helps the body to become active. It helps to keep our body and mind in coordination with the soul. Yoga helps one attain the absolute knowledge of the difference between the spiritual, which is timeless, unchanging, and free of sorrows, and the material, which is not. When is International Yoga Day? It is on 21st June. Undeclaration of Yoga Day. United Nations recognized June 21st as the International Day of Yoga when it passed a resolution co-sponsored by 175 nations and supported by 177 member states in December 2014. A dedicated day for highlighting the virtues of practicing yoga. Why do we celebrate Yoga Day? Yoga Day is celebrated on June 21st because that is the longest day of the year in India or the solstice. The International Day of Yoga aims to raise awareness worldwide of the many benefits of practicing yoga to mind, body and soul. Some of its benefits. It improves strength, balance and also flexibility. It helps us to get relief from the back pain. It also helps to sleep better. It promotes a better self-care. Theme of Yoga Day 2021. Due to pandemic COVID-19, the International Yoga Day 2021 will be celebrated virtually keeping in mind COVID-19 protocols. The theme of the International Day of Yoga 2021 is Yoga at Home and Yoga with Family. People should take part of International Day of Yoga 2021 and practice yoga at home. The 7 chakras and their meanings. Chakra table. The first is the crown or the Sahasrara. It is denoted with the color purple or white. It is located on the top of the head. Then comes third eye or the Ajna. It is denoted with the color indigo, located in the center of forehead. Then comes throat, Visuddhna. It is denoted with the color blue, located in the throat. Then comes heart, Anahata, denoted with the color green or pink, located in the center of chest. Solar plexus, Manipura, denoted with color yellow, located just above the navel. Sacral, Savadhisthana, denoted with the color orange, located just below navel. Then comes root or the Muladhara, denoted with the color red. It is located on the base of spine. Why people practice yoga? According to statistics, 92% of the people adopt yoga to improve their flexibility, physical fitness, and stress relief. 22% of the people say that doctors have recommended them to practice yoga. 73% of the people they want to taste the spiritual experience for the first time. 50% of the people they practice yoga to fight against severe health conditions. Yoga for the mind and the body. Mind. If practiced regularly, yoga can be a powerful way to relieve anxiety and cope with everyday stress. Body. Yoga can transform your body, building stronger muscles, improving flexibility and mobility. Basic yoga asanas: Utkatasana, Balasana, Adho Mukha Savasana, Urdhva Mukha Savasana, Vrikshasana, Trikonasana, Veervadrasana, Kumbhakasana. Yoga statistics. Who practices yoga? About 72% of the yoga practitioners are female. According to statistics, 19% people are between the age group of 18 to 29 years. 43% people are between 30 to 49 years. 38% people are above 50 years. Yoga promotes healthy eating. About 40% of the American yogis say that it motivates them to eat healthy. 10% are vegetarian. When to practice yoga? According to statistics, 12% of the American yogis practice yoga 2 to 3 times a week. 19% do in the morning, 43% do in the afternoon, 38% do in the evening. What do they do? 65% of the people practice yoga at home, 48% people at gym, 45% people they practice at yoga studio. There are about 300 million yoga practitioners in the world. Why to start yoga? It reduces stress, it improves health, it improves strength, and it also helps to weight loss. Yoga makes us better people. Around 80% of the people they feel that they are connected to the nature through yoga. 20% people think that they have positive self-image. 67% people think that they have better relationships. International Yoga Day activities. Day 1. Take your tree pose to nature. Day 2. Do your Om thing. Day 3. Introduce a friend to yoga. Best countries to practice yoga. First is India, second is Thailand, third Costa Rica, fourth Australia. According to Amit Rai, yoga means addition of energy, strength and beauty to body, mind and soul. Let's be a part of the change that yoga seeks to bring to our physical, mental health and spiritual well-being. Let's spread the glory of yoga to every corner of the world, making India more proud of her cultural heritage. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.